अस्सलाम वालेकुम तमाम दोस्तों को टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन एमसीक्यूज़ के चैनल में खुशामदीद करते हैं। और आज की वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ पीपीएससी की जो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं कंप्यूटर का एमसीक्यूज़ वो आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का पहला एमसीक्यूज़ है व्हेन यू डिलीट एन ऑब्जेक्ट विंडोज सेंड इट टू। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है डेस्कटॉप, रिसाइकल बिन, डॉक्यूमेंट या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है रिसाइकल बिन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है अ बाइट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 16 बाइट्स, 8 बाइट्स, 6 बाइट, नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है 8 बाइट्स। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है 4 निबल्स आर इक्वल टू 2 बाइट्स, 3 बाइट्स, 4 बाइट्स या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है 2 बाइट्स। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ मेमोरी इज मेगाबाइट, बाइट्स, बिट या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है बिट। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ VGA स्टैंड फॉर। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वीडियोग्राफी करें, वर्चुअल ग्राफिक करें, वोल्टा ग्राफिक अरे या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है वीडियो ग्राफिक अरे। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज SIM सिम स्टैंड फॉर। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है सोर्स आइडेंटिटी मॉड्यूल, नेक्स्ट है सब्सक्राइबर आइडेंटिटी मॉड्यूल, सम आइडेंटिटी मॉड्यूल या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है सब्सक्राइबर आइडेंटिटी मॉड्यूल। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है डैश इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है प्रिंटर, माउस, मॉनिटर या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है माउस। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज 1 मेगाबाइट इज इक्वल टू। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है 1024 किलोबाइट, 1028 किलोबाइट्स, 800 किलोबाइट्स या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है 1024 किलोबाइट। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज डैश इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर चिप्स। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है फाइबर, गोल्ड, सिलिकॉन या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है सिलिकॉन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन गूगल वाज फाउंडेड बाय। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है चार्ल्स बेबेज, एंटियोनस विडोफ। थर्ड ऑप्शन है लैरी पेज एंड सर्जरी बिन या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है लैरी पेज एंड सर्जरी बिन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज डैश इज द फाइल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ इमेज। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है PNG, CNG, ALU या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है PNG। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज इन MS वर्ड होम की मूव द कर्सर टू द। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है एंड ऑफ द लाइन, मिडल ऑफ द लाइन, बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइन या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज RAM स्टैंड फॉर। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है रॉ एक्सेस मेमोरी, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, राइट एक्सेस मेमोरी या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज डैश इज यूज्ड for finding a similar word in the document. First option है treasure in MS Word, second option find in MS Word, identity in MS Word या none of these. Correct answer है treasure in MS Word. Next MCQs first byte या 1 byte is equal to 16 bits, 10 bits, 8 bits या none of these. Correct answer है 8 bits. Next MCQs HP is famous brand of computer hardware. HP stand for. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है Hewlett Packard या हॉर्स पावर या हायर पिक्सल या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर Hewlett Packard। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज ATM इज अब्रिविएशन एज। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है एटॉमिक टेलर मशीन, एडवांस टेलर मशीन, ऑटोमेटिक टेलर मशीन या नन ऑफ दीज। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑटोमेटिक टेलर मशीन। नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज CPU is abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, Control Processing Unit, Converted Processing Unit या none of these. Correct answer है Central Processing Unit. Next MCQ the length of IP address is 36 bits, 8 bits, 32 bits या none of these. Correct answer 32 bits. Next MCQ Facebook is launched in 2004. and Twitter is launched on 2005 and YouTube launched on first option 2002, 2008, 2006 या none of these. Correct answer है 2006. Next MCQ the dash file contain MS Word file. First option docs, exe या .com या none of these. Correct answer है docs. Next MCQ OS stand for. First option Oriental system, Oral system, operating system या none of these. Correct answer operating system. Next MCQ, what is full form of www? First option, Wide Web World, World Wide Web, World Web Wide, या none of these. Correct answer, World Wide Web. Next MCQ, the microphone converts the sound into. First option, mechanical energy, electrical energy, kinetic energy, none of these. Correct answer है electrical energy. Next MCQ, what is Windows 7? First option is file, gaming system, operating system, या none of these. Correct answer, operating system. Next MCQ है GIF is an extension of which of the following file? First option, image, text, file, none of these. Correct answer है image. Next MCQ, the founder of IBM company. First option, Thomas J. Watson, James, Raphael, none of these. Correct answer, Thomas J. Watson. Next MCQ, which of the following is volatile memory? First option, hard disk, ROM, RAM, none of these. Correct answer, RAM. Next MCQ, a network that covers large area is. First option, WAN, LAN, ROM, या none of these. Correct answer, WAN, wide area network. Next MCQ, program that contains instruction to operate a device is called. First option, storage, recycle bin, device driver, none of these. Correct answer है device driver. Next MCQ, ISO stand for. First option, Islamiyat Security Force, Internet Server Operation, International Standard Organization, या none of these. Correct answer है International Standard Organization. Next MCQ, the keys starting with character F1 to F12 are known as. First option, helping keys, functional keys, spare keys, या none of these. Correct answer है functional keys. Next MCQ, what is the official Twitter bird's name? First option, Parrot, Crow, Larry, या none of these. Correct answer, Larry. Next MCQ, frequency is measured in. First option, hertz, joules, pixel, none of these. Correct answer, hertz. Next MCQ, HTML stand for. First option, Hypertext Markup Language, Higher Text Markup Language, Hot Text Markup Language, या none of these. Correct answer है Hypertext Markup Language. Next MCQ, what is the full form of IP? First option, Intelligent People, Internet Power, Internet Protocol, या none of these. Correct answer, Internet Protocol. Next MCQ, SOAP, SOAP stand for. First option, Some Application Protocol, Small Object Access Protocol, Soon Object Access Protocol, या none of these. Correct answer है Small Object Access Protocol. Next MCQ, Twitter, Facebook is dash networking website. First option, social, private, secrets, या none of these. Correct answer, social networking website. Next option, McAfee are popular. First option, storage, recycle bin, antivirus, या none of these. Correct answer, antivirus. Next MCQ, the software that are available free of cost are. First option, free software, freeware, virtual software, या none of these. Correct answer, freeware. Next MCQ, a terabyte represent about. First option, 1 trillion bytes, 5 trillion bytes, 2 trillion bytes, या none of these. Correct answer, 1 trillion bytes. Next MCQ, PNG stand for. First option, Popular Network Graphic File, Portable Network Graphic File, Power Network Graphic File, या none of these. Correct answer, Portable Network Graphic File. Next MCQ, a bit can be. First option, 1 or 0, 1 or 2, 1 or 1, या none of these. Correct answer, 1 or 0. Next MCQ, which of the following is a founder of Facebook? First option, Charles Babbage. Next option Romeo Reis. Third option Mark Zuckerberg या none of these. Correct answer Mark Zuckerberg. Next one goes, what is full form of Wi-Fi? First option wireless fidelity, wire field, Wapper Firefox या none of these. Correct answer wireless fidelity. Next one goes, the output of printer device is soft copy, hard copy, hardware या none of these. Correct answer hard copy. Next one goes, what is the full form of PDF? First option portable document format, popular document format, power document format या none of these. Correct answer portable document format. Next one goes, a combination of 16 bits is called number, drawing, words, none of these. Correct answer words. Next one goes, first computer virus was created in at Bell Laboratories. First option 1970, 1980, 1990 या none of these. Correct answer 1917. Next one goes, dash mean integrated electronics. First option IE, next option INE या Intel या none of these. Correct answer Intel. Next one goes, one worksheet contain dash columns. First option 128 columns, 256 columns, 332 columns या none of these. Correct answer 256 column. Next one goes, URL stand for. First option universal resource locator, uniform recovery locator, uniform resource locator या none of these. Correct answer uniform resource locator. Next option PROM is abbreviation of dash read only memory, proper read only memory, product read only memory, programmable read only memory या none of these. Correct answer programmable read only memory. Next one goes, dash Apple computer was built in Georgia. First Apple computer, second Apple computer, third Apple computer या none of these. Correct answer first Apple computer. Next one goes, C programming language was developed by Dennis Richards in 1970, 1971, 1972 या none of these. Correct answer 1972. Next one goes, dash computer was invented by Howard Aiken. First time goes, analog, digital, hybrid computer या none of these. Correct answer digital computer. Next one goes, first mechanical digital calculator was invented by Blaise Pascal, Steve Jobs, Jerry, none of these. Correct answer Blaise Pascal. Next one goes, internet was started in. First option 1959, 1969, 1950 या none of these. Correct answer 1969. Next one goes, in 1976 dash computer was found by Steve Jobs and Stephen Wozniak. First option Apple computers, Dell computers, HP computers या none of these. Correct answer Apple computers. Next one goes, dash abbreviated as a joint programming expert group. First EXE, PNG, JPEG या none of these. Correct answer JPEG. Next one goes, bit means. First option binary digits, Bitcoin, binary words या none of these. Correct answer binary digits. Next one goes, dash invented the term computer virus. First option Thomas, Williams, Fred Cohen या none of these. Correct answer Fred Cohen. Next one goes, the first commercially produced computer. First option Firefox, Univax, Chrome या none of these. Correct answer Univax. Next one goes, Univax was produced in. First option 1951, 1940, 1957 या none of these. Correct answer 1951. Next one goes, largest computer hardware company in the world. First Apple, Intel, Dell, none of these. Correct answer, Intel. Next MCQ, which of the following is the starting point of website? First option, format page, title bar, home page, या none of these. Correct answer, home page. Next MCQ, in MS Office, dash key delete letter from right side of the cursor. First option, delete key, enter key, escape key, none of these. Correct answer, delete key. Next MCQ, dash stand for optical character recognition. First option, OPCR, OPRG, OCR, या none of these. Correct answer, OCR. Next MCQ, structure of format of data called syntax, title, file, none of these. Correct answer, syntax. Next MCQ, in MS Word, screenshot is in. First option, insert, format, view, या none of these. Correct answer, insert. Next MCQ, which of the following show document name and information? First option, insert bar, title bar, format bar, या none of these. Correct answer, title bar. Next MCQ, to select all the slide or more than one slide in transition. First option, shift plus click on a slide, control plus click on a slide, alt plus click on a slide, या none of these. Correct answer, shift plus click on a slide. Next MCQ, clipboard in home is used for storage of dash, letter, number, picture, none of these. Correct answer, storage of letter. Next MCQ, Microsoft Word is sheet, words, number, none of these. Correct answer, words. Next MCQ, shortcut key for finding something on page. First option, CTRL+H, CTRL+A, CTRL+F, या none of these. Correct answer, CTRL+F. Next MCQ, mail merge tab is in insert, mailing, view, या none of these. Correct answer, mailing. Next MCQ, the minimum number of rows and columns in MS Word document is 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 1 by 2, या none of these. Correct answer, 1 by 1. Next MCQ, MS Word automatically save document after every 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, या none of these. Correct answer, 10 minutes. I hope आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. इस तरह की वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की वीडियो वगैरह आप लोगों तक बर वक्त पहुंचती रहे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़.